The first task is to define a status transition within the workflow and link it to an action, which is sending a notification email. The recipient is defined by a service parameter which is validated before. In the following, we will show you the required changes in the source code. When you search for the changes in the source files yourself, search for Tutorial 1. First you create an additional subscription status deleting, and define to send an email to the configured email address when the deletion has been requested. The dispatcher is modified to switch to the new deleting status when the deletion has been requested, and switch from the deleting to the destroyed status afterwards. You modify the validation logic to allow the email address to be optional, but have it validated. You adapt the implementation to only send an email when a valid email address is specified. In the technical service, the email parameter must be set to optional. In the following, we will show you which changes have to be done in the sample service controller in order to implement the steps described before. Open the status Java file. This change introduces the new subscription status deleting. Open the dispatcher Java file. When the deletion is requested, an email is sent to the specified email address. The subscription status switches to destroyed if the subscription is in the status deleting. Open the sample controller Java file. The email address is validated. If no valid email address exists, an error message is displayed. Switch to the dispatcher Java file again. An email is sent only if a valid email address exists. In the technical service, the email address of the recipient of notification emails is set to optional.